If you're watching this video, you're probably wondering, what is Stellarport.io? Well, Stellarport is an intuitive, reliable, and secure portal that connects you to the Stellar network in real time. Okay, but what's the Stellar network? Here's the deal. By now, you've probably heard of Bitcoin, a digital currency that is changing our world. Well, a few years ago, some really smart people got to wondering if they could create another blockchain, a more capable blockchain. And so, they designed, built, and tested this thing called the Stellar network. Stellar is a blockchain where anyone can store anything they want, send anything they want, and trade those things with one another instantly. And it's all powered by a native currency called Stellar Lumens. For example, Tom can deposit euros on Stellar. Then he can send them to John, trade them for exciting new ICO tokens, and even send them as Bitcoin to Anne. And Tom can do this all securely in 5 seconds and for less than a penny in transaction costs. Cool, huh? Anyway, you're probably wondering how this is related to Stellarport, right? Well, you see, the Stellar network is a computer network, not very accessible to the average person. So just imagine here is the Stellar network, and here are you, and here is Stellarport. Stellarport connects you to the Stellar network, so you can trade your favorite cryptocurrencies and send payments to your friends and family. Stellarport is Stellar made easy. Just create an account, deposit anything you want, and enjoy Stellarport, your portal to Stellar. To learn more, visit Stellarport.io.